Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another silent video. Except for this intro and the outro, you know, those are kind of like self-explanatory. So if you watch my previous video, you will see that I had a bag full of a full face of makeup. I literally don't remember what I put in there because, you know, I'm trying to just use products that I normally have not used and that I have not used in a very long time. And this is a good way for me to do it. I might just continue to do this as long as I am quarantined. Yeah, speaking of that, Virginia has hit its highest high. People don't want to stay inside. So I feel like our original work from home and stay at home order was supposed to like end on May 8th. But now I'm I know it's going to be pushed back to further, which is unfortunate because I just want to get back to my regular life. And I don't want to spend summer cooped up just like this because probably by the time this whole thing ends, our lease will be up, which is unfortunate because our lease expires in August. And it is May. My goodness. Speaking of quarantining things, going back to that, has anyone else been on like a sweatshirt overbuy? This is one of 7. Oh my god. One of 7 that I bought. I bought this one, this large, extra large from Urban Outfitters. I will link that one down, this one down below, as well as the other one that I have in my closet. And then I have 2 others from Activewear. I will link those down below as well. I ordered one from Nat and Liv collection. If you don't know who Nat and Liv are, they were originally on the show Wags. Then they had their own spin-off show, which was it was hilarious. And so they dropped cozy collection sweatshirts. And then if you've been on Instagram a lot and your ads just pop up, there's this group called the Mayfair group. And I bought a sweatshirt from there. And then I bought a crop top sweatshirt. I'm not a big crop top fan, but you know, with some high-waisted leggings, high-waisted shorts, jeans, whatever, they look really cute. And an instructor at the cycle bar that I go to, she created her own website and she decided to drop some merch. And I picked that up on May 3rd, and yeah, I'm excited to do that. If she does plan to restock them, I will link her website down below. And yeah, without further ado, let's check out what we have in here. So I think this one is, yeah, that one's like chocolate too. So I'm gonna put my mirror up here. Oh, I was also using my tens machine because my traps get really tight. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and jump y'all into this video. I will catch you guys at the end. I have to break my no silence rule because this guy is out there feeding the ducks that normally occupy our pond, and it's so cute! Oh my goodness. I'm waiting for their ducklings to get up there. Yep, there they go. So cute. Okay, back to no silence. vampy. My lips are dry. See, I kept looking at here because these blackbirds will literally swoop up and take the ducklings. So yeah. Hope you guys like this makeup look. I know that I did. Hope you guys like this. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.